Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 6. And our prompts for this week is an animal with fur. I've got this bulldog. Text in a foreign language. There is a foreign language on this scrap of pattern paper. A torn piece of paper with an interesting edge. This is interesting, and I've got just some packing paper that's got an interesting edge. Product label or packaging, and I cut this out of a Ghirardelli's packaging. And a calendar page or date square, I've got this. And our bonus is ribbon or washi tape, and I've got assorted washi tapes and a ribbon. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. It's been nice and warm here lately. So I think I'm just going to play around with this and see what we get. Now, I want that edge to show. I'm thinking 'cause it'll show underneath. Something like that, maybe. Tear that. And I can tear this. Well, I kind of like that. I don't know. Maybe something like that. Put that on the bottom. And then have my little, I like that better. Okay, let's start getting some of this stuff down. I really don't have a clue as to where I'm going with this. Maybe I want to turn that around. Then my washi tape will cover it up anyway. So I think we'll see more of it this way. Okay. So let's get this down. Grab my glue book. Well, as anybody watching the Super Bowl today, my family's kind of not happy with it. Just seems like the refs have favored the Chiefs. I know there's a big controversy going, but we were saying that long before it happened. I don't know, when it's that obvious, you can't say anything against it, I don't reckon. Of course, Chief fans feel differently. My husband and oldest are Dolphin fans, and the youngest is a Colts fan. He loved Peyton Manning, but he stuck with them even after Peyton left. Okay. Me, I'm just, I keep up through them, but I'm not one to just watch a game. And I usually used to watch a Super Bowl, at least part of it. I like the commercials. But this year, that's a no-go. Okay, now, get a cute little bee up there. And I've got some other things, just maybe to make it a little more interesting. Let's see, got Ghirardelli. Maybe something kind of like that. And I do want to put some of this washi tape, I think, at the bottom. glue on it because it doesn't feel very sticky. We could have seen part of the torn edge. Oops, I accidentally got 2 cards. Cut this too. I do like that. And now we've got a little bulldog. He could be kind of sitting in there. That's cute. Okay. So let me get this down. I grabbed out of the garbage can the Ghirardelli bag. Always. These were some we had gotten the boys some for Christmas, and one of them had finished their candy. So I grabbed the packaging because I love the shiny, cool packaging. I love that bulldog. That came from my fall cut and collage book that I have. And we'll have that little butterfly just kind of sitting on his head. All right, at his head. Let's see. Well, that's kind of pretty. So I'll add that. I know we don't have to have both, but let's bring it down. There we go. See if there's some more things that we can add. Let's see here. Got more washi tape. See, I like this one too. Okay, maybe, let's see here. Got some numbers. Feel like I need something there too. But what? And you got a bigger butterfly. I like that. That's the whole fun thing about collaging. You just keep adding and adding till you're happy. There we go. Now let's see. Sure, I've got some little numbers here. Like that. Piece of bling. don't know about that one. I like that. Let's see what else I have. Okay. And we'll have a little bit here. Now that's cute, if I do say so. Maybe add a little there. Stick with the same color. Maybe a little there. A little there. Like that. I don't know if there's anything else that I want to do. Oh, of course, I do want to do splatters. Let me do that. I forgot to add my paper. Oh my goodness. No problem. I just hate I do that. Were any of you yelling at me? Okay, we got some down here. We could go there. And there maybe. I like that one anyway. Maybe just a smaller piece. I like it. I think I'm going to go ahead and add this piece up here. And just so I have an odd number. Oop, wrong end. I'll put that there. All right. Now for the splatters. I get so carried away that I forget some of the things I was going to do. Let me go ahead before I... Oh, baby. Sorry, my kitty cat fell down. He likes laying on those little small spots and he falls asleep. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use my gold. Try to find my paintbrush. I know it's here somewhere. Oh, this one will do. Be more time looking for my paintbrushes. Something about those gold splatters just brings it all together. All right. Well, week 6 is done. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. If you want the prompts, they're in her Etsy shop, Mellow Miller. I haven't got that listed in my description box. I've got her channel listed. So I'm going to add this to my book. Let me grab my other page so I won't be short. And I'll glue my prompts down. I've enjoyed this ring binder because I can take them out and work on them. And it gives me some room if I want thicker items. So I think it turns out cool. All right. Almost forgot to go over everything I had. Okay, we've got an animal with fur. We've got text in a foreign language. And we've got a torn piece of paper with an interesting edge. I've got that. And then, of course, all of the pieces of the tissue paper. A product label or packaging. I've got the Ghirardelli. A calendar page or date square. I've got that right here. And bonus ribbon or washi tape. And I've got both. I've got ribbon here and washi tape throughout. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025cwp6 to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.